What's up, you friggin' geniuses? So, in this video, I'm going to give you an introduction into equivalent fractions and how to find them. Okay, so I have 3 birthday cakes here. They're all the exact same flavor, size, everything, okay? Everything is identical. So, let's say I cut this first birthday cake in half. So, how many total pieces of cake do I have here? I have 2, right? I have the left side and the right side. But let's say my dog got really hungry, he got on the table, and he ate this whole piece right here. How many pieces did he eat? Well, he ate one of the pieces, right? There's 2 pieces, and he ate one of them. All right, so since he destroyed that birthday cake, I had to go buy another one, okay? And this time, when I cut it into 4 equal pieces. So how many pieces do we have? We have 4 pieces, right? I cut it into 4 pieces. But let's say he jumped on the table again, and again, he ate this side of the birthday cake. How many pieces did he eat? Well, he ate 2 pieces this time, right? Okay, so he also ruined that cake, so I had to go buy another cake, and this time I cut it like this into 6 total pieces. Right? That's how many pieces I cut this up into. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I cut it into 6 total pieces. And this time, I moved all the chairs. There's no way he could get up, but somehow he learned to fly. And when he flew up to the cake and ate all these pieces right here. These 3 pieces. Man, he is so talented. Okay, so as you can see, he ate 3 pieces right here. Okay, so regardless of how many pieces I cut the cake into, what do you notice about how much cake he ate in total? Well, let's look at this first one, where I cut it just in 2 pieces, right? Where he ate this entire side right here, right? He ate all that right there. Let's look at the second one. Don't worry about how many pieces I cut it into. How much did he eat in total? Well, he ate this whole piece, this whole side, right? And lastly, same thing. Don't worry about how many slices I cut it into. How much did he eat? He ate this whole thing. Okay? So regardless of how many pieces I cut it into, can you see he ate the same amount in every single case, right? Here he ate half, here he ate half, and here he ate half. But if we do take into account how many pieces I cut each cake into, this first cake, he ate 1/2, right? This second cake, he ate 2/4. This third cake, he ate 3/6. But still, he ate the exact same amount of cake in every case, right? So these fractions are actually equal to each other. They're equivalent to one another because they represent the same amount. So we say 1/2 and 2/4 are equivalent fractions. Why? Because they represent the same amount. Okay, don't worry about how many slices we cut it into. They represent the same total amount. Okay, we say 1/2 is equivalent to 3/6 because again, they represent the same amount. Okay, and we say the same thing about 2/4 and 3/6 because again, they represent the same amount. So how do you find equivalent fractions? Well, that's not too difficult. All you have to do is multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same whole number. So let me show you what I mean. So 1/2, for example, right? 1/2. What if I wanted to find an equivalent fraction to 1/2? I would multiply the top and the bottom by the same whole number. So in this case, let's just multiply the top by 2 and we'll multiply the bottom by 2. So what's 1 times 2? That's 2, right? What's 2 times 2? That's 4. So that means 1/2 right here, right? And 2/4 are equivalent fractions, which is something we already found up here, right? So let's try it again. What if I, again, had 1/2 and I wanted to find another equivalent fraction? This time, let's just multiply by 3, okay? We'll multiply the top by 3 and the bottom by 3. So now 1 times 3 is 3, and then 2 times 3 on the bottom is 6. So as you can see, 1/2 and 3/6 are equivalent fractions, which again is what we found up here and up here, right? And we can do it with any fraction, okay? So for example, what if I wanted to find an equivalent fraction to 3/5? Okay, well again, I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by the same number. In this case, just any number, it doesn't matter. We could just do 5. Okay, let's multiply the top and bottom by 5. So on top we have 3 times 5, which would be 15. And on the bottom we have 5 times 5, which would be 25. All right guys, so that's what equivalent fractions are, and that's how you find them. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. It's always appreciated. And if you still got any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to try and help you out. Also, there's a playlist attached at the end of the video, so if there's any other topics you need help with, definitely check those out, and I'll see you there.